to pups and pets. Kakapoo Parrot. The Kakapoo Strigops flightless is the species of large, flightless, nocturnal parrot found only in New Zealand. This is world only flightless parrot, the world heaviest parrot, and also is non-cultural herbivorous, visible, asexual, dimorphic in body size, has a low base metabolic rate, and does not have male parent care. It is the only parrot to have a polygynous lake breeding system. It is also possible one of the world's longest living bird around the report lifespan of up to 100 years. Like many other New Zealand bird species, the Kākāpō was the historical important and Māori, the indigenous people of New Zealand. It appeared in many of traditional links and folklore. It also heavily hunted and was used as a source of Māori, both of its meat and its feather, which are used to make high value prices of clothing. Really, Kākāpō were kept as pet. Kakapoo cannot fly, having highly short wings for its size of leg and gill of sternum breastbone. They are where the flight muscular other birds attach. It is use its wing for balance and to break it fall and when leaping from tree. The upper parts of Kakapoo has yellowish moss green feather parrot and mottled with black and dark brownish gray, bleeding well with native vegetation. The breast and flank yellowish green streak with yellow. The belly, undertail, neck, and face has prominently yellowish streak and pale green. The weakly mottled brownish gray because the feathers do not need to straight and stiffness required for flight. They are exceptionally soft, giving rise to specific epithet. Overall, the Kakapoo has GPS facial distinct for fine feathers resembling the face of an owl. Thus, the early European settlers called it owl parrot. Kakapoos are primarily non-cultured. They roost undercover in a tree or the ground during the day and move their territories at night. Though Kakapoo cannot fly, they even excellent climber, ascending to their crowns and the tallest trees. They can be predated, descending by leaping and spreading their wings. In this way, they may travel a few meters on the angle of less than 45 degrees. On the ground, they move like rapid jog-like gait, by which they can move several kilometers. Kakapoo are gracious by nature and have been known to interact with humans. However, they are not social, but when they realize threatened, Kakapoo freeze so also can more affectionate camouflage in the vegetation, and their plumage resembles. Like many other parrots, Kakapoo have a variety of calls as well as the bombs and chunks and their mating calls. They will often loudly stark Kakapoo as herbivores, fur givers, grain givers, and foliivores. They eat native plants, seeds, fruits, pollen, and even the span wood of tree. Thanks.